Hi everyone, today I will discuss further Microsoft Word 2007. So we were discussing about home ribbon last time, and I will go through a few other options like styles and paragraph today. So to start with, I will type let's say my address, Kaveendra Sriwardana Princess Highway, Victoria, Australia. Okay, now this is in normal style, and as you all know, so we just use the default font last time, Calibri body. So if you want to, if you want to refresh from last week lesson, so I will go through roughly about font formatting. So let's say I change it to book anticar and maybe font size 12. So just a simple font here. Right, now let's say I want to use bullets for my document. So first thing is there are a couple of ways you can insert bullet. So let's say I want to insert the bullets for the selected line. So first of all, as usual, we have to highlight and select bullets. So you get bullets before each word or sentence. So simply if you click again, the bullets will disappear. And same with numbers, you can select numbers and you will get numbers in front of words, and you can deselect and it will go back to the previous status. And also with the bullets, now you can change the bullet type that you want to use for your document. Let's say I want to use tick, so just a matter of selecting that particular bullet and it will appear in your document. Let's say now this is where you add bullets for selected area, and let's say I want to get bullets as and when I am entering new things. Let's say I want to get bullets while I'm typing. Let's say list of goods as follows. So now I want to get bullets for each and every goods that I'm going to list in. Let's say I want to get this particular bullet. So let's say milk. So I just type milk after the first bullet. So as soon as I enter the enter key, my next bullet will appear in my list. So as you can keep on typing, you can get bullets as a list. So I will just remove this listing, and let's say I'm going to remove these bullets as well. Now, so we were discussing bullets, numbering, and here multi-level listing. Now I'm not going to discuss at this stage. Now especially this one is when where you have different levels of listing. For example, let's say you are writing a project report and you have main headings, so we can have in one level for the main headings and next level for the, let's say, subheadings of the report. So let's say 1.1 is main heading 1 and subheading 1. So 1.2 subheading 2 of main menu 1. So likewise, this is multi-level listing, and I don't want to discuss at this stage because it might confuse you. So these two options are indentation, especially let's say you want to leave some space before starting, so you can start this increase indentation, which keep on leaving space for the left side of the document. So you can move back by decreasing indentation. And here you have alignments: left align, center, right align. And this one is justify, where you have, let's say, a paragraph and you have spaces from left side and right side, and when you want to justify, it will be equally distributed throughout your document. So these options we'll discuss later more in detail, but to start with, I'll roughly just go through very briefly. Now, shading and borders. So basically, shading is where you have shading in between your text, and borders where you insert a border from for your sentence or a page or even a small portion of the document. So I just add the bottom border or even top border, left border, right border, bottom border. So I for the selected area I got borders around the words, so you can remove one by one. So when you undo also, you have to remove one by one. So rather than doing that, I will go to undo option, where it will clear my inserted borders. Now next important thing is about styles. For example, now this is in normal style, where you have a space in between two lines. So let's say I want to have a look for different styles available. So simply I have to highlight, and I can go through. Basically, you can move your cursor on top of these styles, and you can see my selected style is appearing to the selected words. So here you have some predefined styles where you can easily select it. So now in this particular style, where you have some large font as well as a bottom border. So we have other different styles as well. So these things will get to know more. I mean, you will get more confident when you have a sample document to test with. So after I introduce these features, I will give you a small exercise where you can practice almost all these options. So that's about styles. And also with the style, let's say you selected this particular style, you can customize these styles with your preferable colors as well. So let's say I want to go to this color scheme, or let's say this one, equality. So I will get the appropriate color for the selected color change. So that's roughly all about ribbons on home tab, and that will conclude our brief introduction part 2 of MS Word. Thank you.